And then we're going to look at everyone or a lot of people's favorite growth stock, Tesla, listed on the NASDAQ, of course. It's been going sideways for the last couple of weeks in a channel, lines 1 and 2. I said buy a breakout or buy near support. Support is line 1. The level there is 621.30, $100. Either buy there, which will coincide with the 50-day moving average. And also this support level of line 1 is a resistance level of this consolidation over here. So what I've mentioned there is what's called a base on base formation. Here was a base, and you've got another base forming on top of that. Together with the 50-day moving average here gives you good support at this level. So if it does pull back a bit, certainly worth buying around here. I think it'll be a good risk-reward trade with a tight stop below it. Conversely, buy a close above line 2, $694.70. That would be a breakout buy signal in this case. So either buy on the pullback or on the breakout, whichever happens first. The target is the height of channel 1, 2 projected up, and I think that's $775. So this is Tesla. It's going to be interesting to see what happens, but there's a big move coming either way. Of course, if it breaks down clearly and closes below line 1, then we're going to get a drop to this longer term support level from September, which is at the $560 odd level. And that's a crucial level. If it breaks that, that would be horrendous for the stock. And let's just take a look at what it's doing right now on Wednesday night. So right now it's not doing all that much. It's going sideways slightly down on the day, which is maybe not unusual, having had a 2-day sharp move up. Very often you'll get a pause. If it takes out tonight's high tomorrow, there would be a nice continuation buy signal. Then it'll probably go to line 2 if you want to try and grab a very short-term move with your stop below today's low. Otherwise, we'll see, maybe it will pull back all the way here. So just always let the price dictate. But right now it's not doing much, moving sideways, catching its breath. And let's watch closely to see what it does in the next day or two. It's in the middle of this channel of lines 1 and 2 right now. It could go either way, but either way, it's going to be quite a nice move when it does break out in whichever direction.